Ever wonder how a brand new roof gets started? Today we're on site in Massachusetts with Skyview Exteriors, a local family-owned roofing and exteriors team based in Rhode Island. We proudly serve all of Rhode Island and Southeast Massachusetts. The decking's done. Now we're moving into the real action. The new decking is in, clean and solid. Now it's time to protect it. First comes the ice and water shield along the edges, then synthetic underlayment for full surface coverage. You'll also see drip edge flashing already installed, essential for guiding water away from the structure. Every layer adds long-term durability, especially with New England's unpredictable weather. Precision now prevents problems later, and this crew doesn't cut corners. With the underlayment set, it's time for shingles. And this is where precision meets performance. Each row starts with a starter strip, then architectural shingles are laid in straight, overlapping lines. Nail spacing matters. It's what helps the roof hold through wind, rain, and snow. Watch how the team works. That's experience. Valleys, ridges, and pipe boots get sealed with extra care to prevent leaks before they begin. We use high-grade shingles designed to last through decades of New England weather. Even though the roof's not done, these steps are the backbone of a long-lasting install. This roof's still in progress, but already solid. At Skyview Exteriors, we build with pride, precision, and experience. Family-owned, fully licensed, and committed to quality across Rhode Island and Southeast Massachusetts. Want to see the finished roof? Follow us on Instagram. It's coming soon. Like, follow, and reach out for your free quote today.